The DIN Pixie DMX to SPI pixel controller is packed with smart features. Alongside its DMX to SPI conversion, it allows for standalone show playback, pixel grouping, playing pre-recorded shows on DMX loss, and direct USB to pixel control using our developer API. Let's get into it. Inside the box, we've got a USB Type A to Type B cable that's used to connect the DIN Pixie to your computer for configuration and to upload or record standalone shows to it. Inside this bubble wrap pouch, we've got the DIN Pixie, its DIN mounting clip used to connect it to TS35 DIN rails, and 2 screws to attach the clip to the body of the unit. Finally, we've got our quick start guide and an ENTTEC sticker. Let's have a look in more detail. On the front of the DIN Pixie, we've got a single colour LED status indicator that shows whether the DIN Pixie is receiving data from USB, receiving DMX, or in standalone mode, where the DIN Pixie can record and play a sequence of up to 4,000 frames of DMX or ArtNet in a loop. If the LED is constantly on, it means there's an error with the device, and you should plug it into your computer to investigate what's going on. On the back, we've got 2 holes for surface mounting the DIN Pixie in any orientation using 2 screws. Between these, you can see the 2 holes used to attach the TS35 DIN mount that we unboxed earlier. On the bottom, we've got 2 RJ45 ports used for DMX input. These allow you to connect DMX control data from a lighting controller. These connectors use the ANSI E1-27-2 standard for permanently installed control cables. If you wanted to create your own cables to connect to the DIN Pixie, we've added this to the product documentation and in our knowledge base. On the top of the device, we've got 2 SPI outputs to control pixel dots and tape. This also acts as a power source for the DIN Pixie. The voltage input is between 5 and 48 volts. Dependent on your DIN Pixie configuration, you can convert each DMX input to an SPI output. This will give you a total of 1024 channels of LED to control. This works out to be 340 individual 8-bit RGB LED pixels, so just over 10 meters of 30 pixels per meter LED tape. You can control these 340 LEDs out of one port in one long continuous strip, or you can duplicate this onto both output ports. Alternatively, you could split it for one universe on each port, giving 170 RGB pixels on each. Of course, you're not just limited to RGB pixels. The DIN Pixie supports RGB, RGBW, and various other pixel order colours and protocol types. See the ENTTEC website for more information. Finally, we've got the sturdy USB Type B connector. This allows you to connect the DIN Pixie to your computer for configuration. To connect it, simply use the USB cable provided in the box and plug it into your computer. The DIN Pixie will start booting up, then the indicator should begin flashing at 0.5 Hz. Driver installation should be automatic. However, if you do have issues installing, head over to the knowledge base on our website. After this, you'll be able to configure it. It's worth noting that all ports, including the USB on the DIN Pixie, are protected against transient voltage and surges up to 8 kV contact. Additionally, each data port's covered by resettable fuses. This makes it perfectly suited to long-term installations, and capable of dealing with any surprise faults or electrical noise that may occur on the data line. You can be sure that the DIN Pixie will block these faults from passing through to other devices on your installation. Here we've set up a simple system with our DIN Pixie and SmartPixel 40 dots. The laptop is connected to the DIN Pixie via USB, and one SPI output is connected to the dots and a 24-volt power supply. We'll upload the demo show via USB to its internal memory, and see it start playing back instantly. This can be set to play back infinitely or a fixed number of times after startup. This can now be unplugged and deployed on your installation. The configuration software used for the DIN Pixie allows you to record up to 4,000 frames of ArtNet or a DMX universe to be saved onto the device for unattended playback. Finally, we'll set the DIN Pixie to receive DMX and plug a DMX source into it. Here we're using a DMX USB Pro to generate the DMX feed, but it could be the output of a lighting desk, a DMX node, or anything else. The DIN Pixie is made in our Melbourne HQ and shipped out to projects globally. If you've got any questions, let us know in the comments below, or get in touch with us at enttec.com.